This is Super Lazy Bunty lying on a couch who has finally made up his mind to at least utilize his time by surfing internet. He initially started surfing through Google Chrome, then switched on to Firefox and finally to Opera. After using all these browsers, he was not satisfied by the performance as they were slow and lazy, just like Super Lazy Bunty. He got annoyed with these applications and finally decided to dump them. He then planned to switch to another application saved at the corner of the screen. Bunty was intrigued to know what next is going to come, as this is the last chance of any browser to help him surf. As his journey of surfing proceeded, what came across him was something that Bunty never expected. UC Browser, unlike other browsers, gave him an overwhelming surfing experience. Some of the features that pulled Bunty's attention were: UC Browser has helped to solve the problem of reloading the previously viewed pages. The browser gave him information about the memory consumed and the free memory left for utilization. Now, the problem of data usage is also solved because Bunty was given prior intimation when he tried to view a video without Wi-Fi network or when he tried to download a heavy file. The web pages were compressed before being displayed, resulting in less consumption of Bunty's data pack. Bunty was more fascinated with a feature that allowed him to surf two different sites and view them at the same point of time. The pop-up ads irritated him the most, but with this browser, the problem was solved, as there were no more pop-up ads because he had an option of blocking them. The curiosity of knowing more about the browser led to the discovery of cool features like QR code reader, night browsing, and full screen mode. The application was developed understanding the battery consumption, and when Bunty switched on to the night mode, it actually reduced his strain on the eyes. Now you won't find Bunty usually lying on the couch, as he has transformed from Super Lazy Bunty to Super Surfer Bunty.